So in 2 weeks time I'm leaving to Greece in this van, and it's kind of a radical change, and I want to talk about why I'm doing this. You see, I am working as a freelance filmmaker here in the Netherlands, and what that means is companies and organizations, they call me whenever they need a video, mostly promotion videos. I do the video and I get paid, and that's that. So it's really a project-based relationship I have with these clients. When I first got into filmmaking, I was happy to do client work. It didn't matter to me what kind of videos I was making. I was happy I was making videos and got paid for it. Over the years though, it kind of changed, because now it feels like I'm doing the same trick over and over again for different companies. I don't feel like I'm learning or I'm growing in something. It's just like a new company every time, and I'm doing my trick. Yeah, I kind of miss that first love I had for filmmaking. I kind of miss that passion I once had. Kind of lost it. So this is a new attempt. I'm jumping in this vehicle, hitting the road, and I'm gonna see if I can figure out a way in which I can make the videos I want to make and somehow get paid. I'm gonna try stock footage, I'm gonna try this YouTube, I'm gonna try out new ways to generate a passive income. But ultimately, I want to make the videos I want to make. Now, of course, it's not easy to start all over again in something I really don't know how to do. But I figured I better just start doing something. I like what Casey Neistat says, whom of course is a big inspiration. He says,
"Now, I've always understood luck to be where opportunity meets preparation."
Now, this is what my preparation looks like so far. Every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, I release a video on the YouTube. I've sent out a video to 15 festivals in Europe, and I got a response. My name is Jonathan, and I'm a filmmaker from the Netherlands, traveling Europe in this van.
Made with, international headliners.
Cool, so international dance music, and then the artist, the lineup,
yeah,
like
and also,
Cool, man. It'll be nice. Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
And I made a new video, which I'm also gonna send to specific companies in Europe I wanna work for. I'm doing all these things because I wanna prepare myself for that moment the big opportunity hits. See you in the next video.